guys, welcome back to Arie Moore's makeup room where we learn and grow together. Guys, I am back with another haul. So the other day I was out and about doing some birthday shopping, and your girl, for the first time, y'all, don't shoot me, because literally this was like my first time shopping at Tjmaxx. Okay, so I didn't know what kind of direction I was going in as far as like why I was there, what I was looking for. However, once I walked in there, I was like, oh my God, they got makeup stuff. And I know how crazy it sounds, but I literally didn't know that they had like makeup in there. So I was super excited because like while I was walking around, they had like palettes and all kinds of stuff that I usually go to like Sephora and Ulta to get. And your girl was a little shocked because the prices was very, very reasonable. However, let me be honest with y'all, I did not get any palettes. I was scared, but I will go back and try out some of their palettes. I just did not want to waste my money on something that I was not sure of, but they had so much to choose from, some really good palettes, and it was like cute, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm just going to show you guys what I got. This is going to be a really quick video because today is my actually birthday. Happy birthday to me. So yeah, since it's my birthday, guys, do take some time to subscribe. Make sure you guys like this video and leave some comments down below. All right, let's get it. Let's go. I'm pretty much just going to like jump straight into the video. When I went to Tjmaxx, I just bought brushes, but I bought quite a bit of brushes and a little bit of skincare. So I have these two bags here, and I'm just gonna pretty much just show you guys what's in these bags and what do I think. So I think I'm gonna start with the skincare, and I'm gonna show you the brand that I have. And the reason why I want to go ahead and start here is because I actually used it this morning because I wanted to just kind of see how it looks under my makeup. And these are the two that I have, and I'm gonna be honest with you, I was a little shocked. So when I went into Tjmaxx the other day, it was so many different people in there. It was loaded. You gotta think about it, everybody's doing like their holiday shoppings and stuff. So your girl was like, I'm just trying to get in and get out, but I need to go. You know what I'm saying? Like I had to go. And then when we actually got in the freaking line, the line was wrapped so far behind the store to like the back of the store. It is not even funny. But y'all, them workers was working, okay? I mean, we was, mind you, it had to be at least over 40 people in that line. That's just a rough estimate. We was in that line about 5 or 6 minutes. They wasn't playing. So skincare wise, I picked up Olology Hydrating Facial Serum, and this is what this looks like. And then I also picked out Finley Collagen Overnight Eye Serum. This is what it looks like, guys. I've never heard of these brands. I've never used these brands until today. Even though this one says it's a night eye serum, I actually used it this morning. So what I did was I went in with my usual skincare. I have another serum that I actually use on my face. So I applied all of my basic stuff that I use every single day, and then I apply these over top. And one of the biggest things that I was going for is it going to make a difference in my makeup and how my skin feels underneath my makeup? And y'all, I was a little shocked at these bottles because this one here was only $5.99. And this one was $5.99 too. I'm going to be very honest with y'all. It's a little bit on the watery end. So obviously, you know, the cheaper products are, you know, more water based in them. But if you are someone who is new to skincare and you just don't know how to begin your skincare routine, and you don't know what to find and where to start, and you don't want to spend a lot of money, go to Tjmaxx and probably pick you up some serums. These two serums I think work very well. Immediately once I put this eye serum up under my eye, I get really dry. My makeup kind of cakes a little bit. Baby girl, I've had this makeup on for quite a bit of time already, and it has not creased. When I mean in my under eye, which is my highlighted area, I usually have to do so much to really get my makeup to stay right here, and this right here is a game changer for me. So I'm so glad that I decided to pick this up and try it today, because I was going to originally record this video and try it without no makeup just to kind of see how it looks, but I was impatient and I was like, you know, it's my birthday, feeling good, let me go ahead and use these products, and you know, they're not going to be mad at me for using it beforehand, you know what I'm saying? So I definitely love this. The consistency of it is very, very watery, so with putting it under my eyes, I had to be really, really careful. So y'all, be very, very careful if you guys do this. This facial serum, this mixed in with my daily serum, let me see, because it's actually here in my vanity. I have the Mario. This is what I'm using currently. Absolutely love this. I got this from Ulta, and you can also get this at Sephora. You can order it online. I picked this up at Ulta because Ulta is literally right here by my house, so it just works out perfect for me. But for some reason, when I added this serum on top, it gave like a fuller coverage that I wasn't expecting it to give. This one that I have from Ulta is very moisturizing and hydrating, and this one is also hydrating as well. However, like I said, the cheaper versions are more watery, so the fact that it was more watered down, I felt like it gave it a nice balance, and it left this nice slickness on my skin, and that was perfect for going in primer and with my foundation and stuff, because it just made everything go on very, very smoothly. Whereas the Mario, once it sits on my skin, it starts to kind of thicken up and it gets real tacky, which I like for my makeup. But however, there's certain makeup looks that I don't want that effect on. I need it to be nice and smooth. So for today's look, the combination of the two, it just really enhanced my makeup. So I was super, super excited about that, guys. So y'all go and check out these serums from Tjmaxx. This is one of my buys, and yeah, so let me show y'all some of the brushes that I have, guys. And I'm sorry that I don't have like a lot of stuff, but I'm just now trying to like get into like the shopping hauls and stuff on this channel, guys. You can also go, I'm about to go ice skating for my birthday, and I will be vlogging that on my family channel, Party of 7 Vlogs. I would love for you guys to go over there and check the vlog out once I drop it. So just go ahead and subscribe. That way you can kind of, you know, be on the lookout. And if you really, really like haul videos, my main channel on here on YouTube, Late Nights with Arie, I actually post a lot of clothing hauls on there, from lingerie to fashion. I post that type of content on there all the time. That's what that channel is actually for. This channel was just about makeup and skin and possibly hair from time to time. So you kind of just got to get in where you fit in and just kind of join whatever channel suits you the best. But yeah, so these are some brushes. I actually have a few other packs, and this is the Sparkle and Shine set. It has 10 eye and face brushes. I love the look. The only thing that I was concerned about is quality, guys. I do not play about the quality of my brushes, so I'm gonna open it up and just feel it. Now for me, you guys may have already seen right here, I have some brushes. Like, I have decorative brushes that I don't mind having in my background, just because I feel like it just makes the whole vibe of just the makeup room just feels really, really good. So if the quality of these brushes are not up to par, it might be good for beginners. I'm not a beginner in makeup anymore, so these brushes may or may not work for me, but it won't go to waste because it can turn into a decorative brush set for me. So it's a win-win regardless. So I have this. I'm gonna open it up here in just a second. And I did get another set. Oh, this first set came up to $14.99, so basically $15, guys. This one is Nicole. I can't really read that, y'all. I don't have my glasses on. Something New York. But this is what this looked like. It's a 5-piece brush set. It has the powder brush, foundation brush, angle brush, contour buffer brush, and the concealer brush. And this was actually $7.99. So this came from Tjmaxx as well. So same thing. If I do not like it, baby, I'm not going to use it. It will be a decorative brush, okay? Or I might just let my daughters play in it. It really depends on how I feel. And then I have this one here. I'm actually hoping I really like this one. The Luxe Powder. Luxe Powder. Look at this. This is like, I want to say this is yeah, that's a powder brush. It's a makeup staple for flawless application of loose mineral pressed powder. So this is just a strictly powder brush. I actually really want to open this one first, so I'm about to just open that and just pull it out. They have it in here, don't they? and see how it feels, because you can't get enough of powder brushes. I'm sorry, baby. Like, if you're really deep into makeup, brushes is your best friend. Like, you absolutely have to have brushes. Look at that bounce. It's so cute. Ooh, it's very soft. It's very soft. Definitely for loose powders. Probably not for like any liquid products. Like, some of my powder brushes I can actually use for powder or liquid, which I love. I love having that diversity. This is probably not going to give you that diversity that you're going for. However, I think this is going to be perfect for picking up your powder, because it's not too firm, so it's not going to over pick up. You know what I'm saying? Look. It's not going to pick up too much, and that could be a really good thing. So this is definitely something that I will be adding to my use bin. So I'm just going to put that in there, because girl, I ain't got time to be trying to organize when I get done. I got stuff to do. So that brush, go ahead and get that brush. That one was a single brush for $6.99, so that's how much that was. I would have preferred if they had maybe 2 in this pack. That would have been very, very helpful, because I like the material on that brush. Now, that particular brand itself, when I was at Tjmaxx, did not have like other brushes for that brand name. And it would have been a good idea if they did. Now, I don't know their rules behind like their shipments and stuff and how they go about picking out their stuff, but I think I would recommend them getting a couple more from that brand itself. Like, even some eyeshadow brushes or something, because I like how it feels. You can tell that the quality is a little more cheaper. That's okay, but that would be really perfect. Like, if you know what you're doing, or you're a beginner and you don't want to spend too much money, that would actually be very, very good. So this is like a flat foundation brush, guys. Oh, it doesn't feel too bad. See, this is why I wanted to do it without my makeup, but it don't feel too bad. We're gonna have to do a tutorial using these brushes, and we're gonna see if we can get a really good finish, because these brushes actually don't feel too bad. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you, I can tell that the brushes are cheap. It is what it is. But is it too cheap is the question. See, this is a powder brush, and it just doesn't have, that other powder brush has a nice, even though it was kind of loose a little bit, you can tell it's for loose powders, it still have a little firmness to it. This one just feels like it's not really going to be good at blending anything in. So maybe you can use this brush to kind of just brush off any excess, any fallout. So you just kind of got to learn what can you use your brushes for, because just because it says it's a powder brush don't mean you have to use it for powder. If you want to use that particular brush to get glitter off your cheeks and stuff because you did your eyes and made a mess or whatever, figure out what's going to work for you. This brush will probably be my duster brush. They have this is the angle brush. Let's see the texture. All of this is too soft. Like, I feel like the angle brushes, so it helps with contouring like the cheekbones and stuff, right? It needs to have some type of firmness to it so that you can stay in place. This is just not going to do that. Y'all see how it's just like, it has no control. I don't like it. Yeah, this is probably just gonna be a decorative brush for me. Honestly, I might not use it at all. I know I said I would use it for a duster, but I very rarely need to dust. So that's more than likely gonna be a decorative brush. And since that may be a decorative brush, this may be as well. I feel like if you're a beginner, these brushes will work for you just to kind of get the feel and the hang of things. Because I remember when I first started doing makeup, I didn't have good brushes. I was just like buying little cheap stuff from a dollar store. Guys, like when I first doing makeup, I was doing my makeup at my kitchen counter. All I had was a handheld mirror that was literally super, super small. I've come a very, very long way. So if you're at the beginning stages, don't get discouraged. Work with what you have, because everybody had to work with what they got. Okay, so as I started kind of building up my clientele and stuff, I've been able to kind of invest a little bit more in my products and stuff. So that's amazing, guys. And don't forget to go and follow me on Instagram at Glam with Arie. That is my full makeup page. You can see like my client stuff, as well as my daily work if I don't post on YouTube. And you can check out my model Instagram, because I post like my model work, my photo shoots and stuff like that on Arie_Amore02. I just thought I would throw that out there, guys. All that information is down in the description box down below, so go and check your girl out. Okay, and last but not least, we're gonna go ahead and open up this box. This one caught my attention. Okay, when I walked in, I just thought it was super, super cute, guys. And I'm gonna be a little disappointed if I don't like it, but it's a gift set, and I probably could have just, judging from the last set, I'm probably not going to like this one too much. Right now I actually use professional brushes now, and they're really expensive. I use my Sephora collection brushes and a mixture of some Ulta Beauty collections, and then I have a couple of other brands that I do have mixed in. I have brushes like everywhere, here. It's just a lot going on in this house. So this is what it looks like, and I'm actually going to just pull this. Oh, it's not bad. Yay. Oh God, thank God. Because I really want to use them. They're so cute. See, even though they're cheap does not mean that it cannot be used. You just got, this is something I can work with. It has a nice firmness about it. Oh my God, I love it. It feels very soft, but it's not too soft. What else is in here that I can grab? Look, this is the foundation brush. I've never used a flat foundation brush before. I'm curious to see how that's going to work. That is something that I'm willing to try out. This is just a nice little powder brush. This looks this is my Ulta one. The firmness is not too far off. You know what I'm saying? You see that? This is obviously a lot softer and, you know, have a little less bristles, where this has more bristles. It's a lot more fuller, but the consistency of them both is very similar, which lets me know I can work with this, and I'm super excited about that. I'm definitely happy about that. So we're gonna have to do a tutorial using the brushes from this palette. They have the contour stuff. They have everything that I need. The concealer brush. Oh, they have the concealer brush and stuff too. Yeah, we're gonna have to do something. They have the angle brush. Okay, we're gonna do a tutorial on this one, guys. I don't know when, okay, because I'll be saying I'm gonna do stuff and it be on my list. I just don't know when I'm gonna do it. It might be next year. It might be in 6 months. As long as I get to it. But okay, guys, that is literally it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. Make sure you like this video. Let me know what kind of pickups you guys would like me to go and pick up next, whether it's Tjmaxx, another store. Let me know what you guys want to see, because, you know, I'm here to shop for all of us and kind of check out things and see, is it worth the buy? We gonna find out, because on this channel, everything is all about love and beauty, learning and growing, guys. So yeah, I'm about to go enjoy my birthday with my babies, because they're in the living room waiting on me, and I've been recording all freaking morning because I had to do like my video reels, I had to take my pictures, I had to, you know, content creator life, I had to do all those things, and it is time to go be a mom and enjoy my day with my babies. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.